Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to show you how to whip up 3 tasty, low-carb, easy keto smoothies, perfect for anyone diving into the keto lifestyle. So let's get blending. First up, we've got an avocado spinach smoothie and it's loaded with healthy fats and vitamins. Here what you'll need: half an avocado, 1 cup of spinach, 1 cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of chia seed, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and also you can use 1 teaspoon of stevia and a cup of ice cube. Alright, let's kick things off by adding in an avocado. They're perfect for keto. And next we'll pour in 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. It's a good alternative for milks. And then toss in a full cup of fresh spinach. It's packed with fiber, which keeps you full and energized. And for an extra creaminess, we're adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. That's another healthy fat that you can use. Next up, we've got chia seeds. These tiny seeds are little powerhouses, so you can toss in 1 tablespoon for extra fiber and omega-3 in your smoothie. Then we're going to add half a teaspoon of cinnamon. It tastes great and also helps regulate blood sugar levels. And for sweetness, we're using half a teaspoon of stevia. Feel free to adjust this if you like it sweeter. Finally, let's add in a cup of ice cubes to make it nice and chill. Then you can blend it all until it smooths, and there you have it. It's rich in healthy fats, fibers, and protein, making it a perfect keto drink to keep you full and satisfied. Next up is the Avocado Kale Smoothie. You'll need half an avocado, 1 cup of spinach, 1 cup of kale, half a cucumber, the juice of 1 lime, and a cup of cold water. Start by tossing in that cup of spinach for a nutrient boost, and next you can add in the creamy avocado for those healthy fats. Then let's throw in 1 cup of kale for some extra vitamins, and a half cucumber will give it that refreshing touch. And don't forget to squeeze in the juice of 1 lime for some zesty flavor and vitamin C. Finally, you can pour in a cup of cold water, blend it all together, and boom, you're done. Now on to our last smoothie, the Avocado Half-and-Half Smoothie. It's super creamy and refreshing. Here is what you'll need: half an avocado, 1/3 cup of half-and-half or heavy whipping cream, half a cup of ice cube, the juice of 1 lime, and half a cup of cilantro. Start by adding in that half avocado, then pour in 1/3 cup of half-and-half or heavy cream. I personally like heavy cream. Then toss in half a cup of ice. Squeeze in the juice of 1 lime for a little tang, and finally add half a cup of cilantro for a fresh pop of flavor. Blend it all up, and just like that, you've got a smooth, refreshing smoothie in no time. And that's it. 3 delicious keto smoothies that are quick and easy to make. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes.